This 2022 Alfa Romeo Giulia is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Alfa Romeo is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 2.0 L122 engine, and has 37,707 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2022 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Your dream car awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.